Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a healthy full day Indian meal plan which you can include in your diet if you're on a weight loss journey. I have already shared many sample full day meal plans. All the links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. So let's get started with the video. First thing in the morning, have a cup of turmeric tea. I have already shared the recipe. Links will be updated below this video. Turmeric tea will help to increase your metabolism and also will help to detoxify your body. You can watch my video on turmeric tea to understand more. For breakfast, you can have oats upma or millet upma made with chama rice. A fiber and protein rich breakfast made with healthy fats will keep you satiated for a longer time, plus you get more energy with a filling breakfast. I have already shared oats upma and millet upma. Both the recipe link will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. For mid morning, have any seasonal fruit of your choice. For lunch, I'm serving half a cup of boiled and strained rice. You can use brown rice if you prefer. Pan roasted chana sabzi. 2 slices of oil-free fish fry. I have already shared the recipe. Links will be updated below this video. Now, if you don't prefer non-veg, you can omit it and use homemade pickle instead. I'm also serving 1 cucumber chopped. The protein and healthy fats in the chana sabji will keep you satiated for a longer time. Plus, the healthy fats in the chana sabji will help to bring down the glycemic index of the rice. Now, to make the chana sabji, I have already heated my cast iron pan. And guys, always try to cook at least one meal in a cast iron pan for better iron absorption. Now, once the pan is heated, add in half teaspoon desi ghee, and once the ghee is heated, add in 1/3 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, and once it starts to splutter, turn off the heat and then add in half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/3 teaspoon garam masala, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon roasted jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, and lightly mix this in the residue heat of the pan. Once the masala is lightly roasted and the raw flavor of the masalas has diminished, turn on the heat and add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of boiled and salted chana. Mix it really well, and once it is nicely mixed, add in 1/4 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder, and add in a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Remember, the chana was boiled with salt, so add salt accordingly. For some added flavor, I am using some allspice leaves which I got locally. You can use curry leaves or even coriander leaves instead. Give this all a mix and turn off the heat, and serve it with boiled and strained rice, chopped cucumber, and 2 pieces of oil-free fish fry. Instead of white rice, you can also opt for brown rice or even whole wheat roti. As an evening snack, have a dry fruits laddu, especially if you're commuting, so that you don't snack on packaged foods. I have already shared many healthy snack recipes. You can check my channel for the recipes. Links will be updated below this video. Dinner should be had by around 6:37 p.m. and for dinner, have a bowl of quinoa salad. This salad is filling and is packed with protein and fiber, and it will keep you feeling fuller for a longer time. Along with these meals, make sure you drink plenty of water to keep yourself hydrated, and also include 30 to 40 minutes of exercise for best results. So guys, I hope this sample meal plan gives you an idea how to eat healthy in your weight loss journey. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.